As we eagerly anticipate the release of Apple's latest creations, the 2024 iPad Pro and iPad Air, it's no surprise that many tech enthusiasts are excited and eagerly waiting for their arrival. Numerous leaks and rumors have been surfacing online about the upcoming devices, making it difficult to wait patiently for their official unveiling. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the most recent revelations surrounding these highly anticipated devices, shedding light on their potential features, designs, and pricing. Let's kick things off with the iPad Pro, a device that has been due for a redesign for quite some time now. After a remarkable 6-year run with its current design, whispers in the tech community suggest that Apple is gearing up for a substantial revamp. Rumors hint at a departure from the familiar aluminum construction, with a possibility of a full glass design, reminiscent of the iPhone 15's rounded edges. Interestingly, speculations also circulate about the inclusion of MagSafe technology, potentially necessitating a glass back for wireless charging capabilities. This MagSafe integration could signify a groundbreaking move for the iPad Pro, introducing a magnetic connector akin to the MacBook Pro. The prospect of a secondary port for MagSafe on an iPad is an intriguing possibility, promising significant design and charging innovations. Moving on to the front camera of the iPad Pro, Apple seems to be addressing a long-standing issue. The shift from portrait to landscape orientation for the front camera, as revealed in the leaked iOS 17.4 beta code, indicates a positive change in user experience. However, this brings us to the question of pricing, and recent information suggests a potential increase in cost due to the adoption of OLED displays, offering unparalleled visual quality. Reports from reliable sources hint at starting prices of $1,499 for the 11.1-inch model and $17.99 for the 13-inch model, reflecting the investment in cutting-edge display technology. Further intensifying the excitement, an older rumor resurfaces, suggesting a massive internal storage capacity of 4 TB, a first for the iPad lineup. While this seems extravagant, it aligns with the idea of the iPad Pro potentially replacing traditional computers, catering to users with demanding storage needs. As for the release date, all signs point to an early to mid-April launch, aligning with reports of panel orders and Mark Mann's hints at an Apple event in the spring. However, despite the promising hardware upgrades, concerns linger about the iPad Pro continuing to run iPad OS, a version of iOS that some users find less than optimal for productivity. Amid the iPad Pro excitement, let's not forget about the revamped iPad Air. Initially expected to be a minor update, recent CAD file renders challenge these assumptions. The 12.9-inch model, priced below $1,000, is set to feature an LCD and a redesigned camera system, a surprise element that has been absent from previous discussions. While a camera upgrade on an iPad might seem trivial, it could indicate Apple's strategic focus on augmented reality applications. The M2 processor, faster Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3 are among the anticipated internal upgrades for the iPad Air. Ross Young's insights into the display production schedule further suggest an earlier release, possibly in March rather than April. In the background, the video introduces a distraction-free alternative for note-taking. The Remarkable 2 tablet. The thin, paper-like tablet offers a unique user experience, emphasizing minimalism and focus. The sponsor highlights its features, such as a large 10.3-inch digital display, no backlight for reduced eye strain, and an impressive 2 weeks of battery life. In conclusion, the tech landscape is abuzz with anticipation for Apple's 2024 iPad Pro and iPad Air. As we await the official unveiling, the leaks and rumors paint a compelling picture of significant design changes, advanced technologies, and potential pricing adjustments. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the highly anticipated release date. I'm excited to see what Apple has in store for us in 2024. They always seem to push the boundaries and come up with innovative products.